Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making honey barbecue wings. Let's go. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Ketchup, honey barbecue sauce, honey, sesame oil, soy sauce, parsley, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, paprika, black pepper, jerk seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic powder, parsley flakes, pink salt, and the chicken wings. My chicken was washed prior to cutting them up and stuff like that, and now I washed them in lemon water and a little vinegar. Now I'm gonna season my chicken, and it will be done. It will be baked in the oven, not on top of the stove. So first of all, I'm gonna put a little of my pink salt in it, just a teaspoon. Then my seasoned salt, my garlic powder, my black pepper, I'm not measuring them right now, but the measurement will be in my description. And this is my parsley flakes, and my paprika, and paprika just for coloring, so you know, you can use whatever amount you want to use. And this is my jerk seasoning, so just gonna put a little on it. Now these are my herbs, which is my garlic. I want this to be baked, my wings to be baked with all these herbs in there that can taste really good. So I'm gonna put the rest in there when it's partially done. So now the thyme, I don't want to stick in there, so, or the prawns, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna my parsley, my fresh parsley, is for garnish when I finish. So that's it. I also gonna put a little soy sauce on it. So now I'm gonna rub it up. And you set this aside for a few, maybe 10-15 minutes, that it can be marinated. It can be even done overnight, that it can be marinated properly. So I'm gonna set my oven to preheated for about 10 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. This is pretty much my seasoning, my seasoned chicken wings. So I'm gonna set it aside for about 10-15 minutes before I put it in the oven. After 15 minutes, then I'm gonna place some sesame oil in my container and just move it around. And I'm gonna place my wings in, like, very, very delicious. And the seasoning that I place in the chicken wing, You can add your own likeness of seasoning, because you know it's not everybody use what I use. So you know, just make it to be what you want it to be, and it will be good no matter what. Yep. I'm gonna put it in the oven and cover it at first and let it cook or bake for a few, and I said a few, like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna open it and let the color. Also, I'm a lover of sesame oil, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some sesame oil because I want that flavor. So, okay, that's it. I'm making my sauce, and these are some of the herbs that left over. If I fed these, this is gonna be for my garnishing, and I'm gonna put the rest of the thyme in here. It's gonna be my sauce, and say 10 minutes before the completion of my wings, my chicken wings, I'm gonna place the sauce on top of the wings and then rest it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and that's gonna be the completion of my wings. So this is how I'm gonna make my sauce. This is my honey. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon of honey. Okay, and then barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce as well. That's why I'm just using 1 teaspoon of honey, because the barbecue sauce has honey as well. As I said, you put the amount that you want, that you're comfortable with. This is the ketchup. Okay. Powdered seasoning it as well. Soy sauce. There's one thing I forget. I need a piece of, just a little piece of ginger in there. I don't think I have any ginger powder, but I'm gonna and I'm gonna stir away. And this is my sauce. So I pretty much combine the herbs with the powdered seasoning and the sauce, and that's gonna be my coating for my chicken wings. So I'm gonna set this aside until the chicken wings are ready to be sauced down. Now it's time for me to add my sauce to the wings and then place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And turn them over. Come on. Pepper. So I'm gonna place this in the oven for another 10 minutes, and then by then it should be ready. After 10 minutes, the wings should be saying 100 ready. This is the finished product of my honey barbecue chicken wings. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!